Hello, my friend. Welcome. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for giving time to your English. This podcast is a safe place, a calm place, a friendly place. Today, we will learn real English speaking. Real English that people use every day. Simple English. Clear English. The title of today's lesson is Learn Real English Speaking. Phrases and situations for intermediate learners. But do not worry. You do not need perfect English. You do not need fast English. This lesson is for you if you understand English but you feel shy to speak. This lesson is for you if you know words but you cannot make sentences easily. This lesson is for you if you feel nervous when you speak to people in English. Please relax. You are doing great. Listen slowly. Listen carefully. You can listen many times. You can repeat after me. You can speak with me. You can shadow my voice. That means you listen and you speak with me at the same time. It is okay if you make mistakes. Mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are learning. Now, take a deep breath. Feel calm. Let us begin together. Today, we will talk about real English. Real English is not perfect English. Real English is simple. People do not speak like books. People speak short sentences. People use easy words. People repeat ideas. People use the same phrases again and again. When you learn real English, you feel more confident. You feel more relaxed. You do not think too much. You just speak. Many learners think they must speak fast. This is not true. Slow English is good English. Clear English is strong English. Today, I will help you learn useful phrases for daily life. You will hear the phrases. You will hear examples. You will practice speaking. We will use English for home, for work, for shops, for cafes, and for friends and family. Everything is simple. Everything is clear. Let us talk about the problem first. Many people study English for years. They read books. They watch videos. They know many words. They know some grammar. But when they speak, their mind feels empty. They freeze. They feel shy. They feel afraid. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh? This fear is very common. You are not alone. The good news is this. You do not need perfect English. You only need useful English. When you speak, people want to understand you. They do not want to judge you. Simple English works. For example, you do not need long sentences. You can say, I need help. That is enough. You can say, I do not understand. That is enough. You can say, can you help me? That is real English. Real English is clear. Real English is kind. Now let us start learning step by step. We will start with very common phrases. Phrases you can use every day. Listen carefully. One very important phrase is I think. People use this phrase all the time. I think it is good. I think it is okay. I think I need help. You do not need long ideas. Just say what you feel. Another useful phrase is I feel. I feel tired. I feel happy. I feel nervous. This helps people understand you. Another easy phrase is I need. I need water. I need some time. I need help. These phrases are strong. They are simple. They are real. Now, let us move slowly. When you speak English, it is okay to stop. It is okay to think. You can say, let me think. Let me think. People say this often. It gives you time. You can also say, just a moment. This is polite. This is natural. Now, let us practice speaking together. Listen and repeat. I think it is good. I think it is good. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I need some help. I need some help. Very good. Now, let us talk about daily situations. First, at home. At home, you speak with family. You speak about simple things. For example, you can say, I am tired. You can say, I am hungry. You can say, I need rest. You can say, can you help me? This is real-life English. Now imagine you are at work. You do not need big words. You need clear words. You can say, I am working on it. You can say, I need more time. You can say, I do not understand this. You can say, can you explain again? These sentences are short. They are useful. Now imagine you are in a shop or cafe. You can say, hello. You can say, can I have this? You can say, how much is this? You can say, thank you. You can say, that is all. Very simple, very clear. Now imagine you are with friends. You can say, how are you? You can say, I am fine. You can say, I am a little tired. You can say, that sounds good. You can say, let us do it. This is how people speak. Now let us do a shadowing practice. Please listen and repeat. Speak slowly. Do not worry about mistakes. Here we go. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? I am fine. How about you? I am fine. How about you? I am a little tired today. I am a little tired today. I need some help. I need some help. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are doing great. Now, let us practice more real English. Sometimes you do not understand people. That is okay. You can say, sorry, I do not understand. You can say, can you say it again? You can say, please speak slowly. People will help you. Now, listen and repeat. Sorry, I do not understand. Sorry, I do not understand. Can you say it again? Can you say it again? Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Excellent. Now, let us talk about feelings. English is not only about words, it is about feelings. You can say how you feel. I feel good. I feel tired. I feel stressed. I feel happy. These sentences are powerful. Listen and repeat. I feel good today. I feel good today. I feel tired today. I feel tired today. I feel happy to be here. I feel happy to be here. Very nice. Now let us talk about making plans. You can keep it simple. You can say, let us meet tomorrow. You can say, maybe later. You can say, I am free today. You can say, I am busy now. Listen and repeat. Let us meet tomorrow. Let us meet tomorrow. Maybe later. Maybe later. I am free today. I am free today. I am busy now. I am busy now. Great job. Now, let us go back to daily life examples. At home, you might say, I will cook today. You might say, I need to clean. You might say, let us eat. At work, you might say, I will send the email. I will call you later. I need more time, please. In a cafe, you might say, can I have coffee? No sugar, please. That is fine. Thank you. With friends, you might say, that sounds nice. I like that idea. Let us try it. This is real English. Now let us talk about confidence. Many learners feel afraid. This fear is normal. But remember this. Every time you speak, you improve. Even one sentence is progress. Do not wait to be perfect. Perfect English is not real. Real English is honest. People will understand you. People will respect you. Your accent is okay. Your speed is okay. You are learning. Say to yourself, I can do this. Say it with me. I can do this. I can do this. I am learning every day. I am learning every day. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Very good. Now, let us practice one more shadowing section. Listen and repeat. I am learning English. I am learning English. I want to speak better. I want to speak better. I practice every day. I practice every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am getting better. I am getting better. You are doing amazing. Now let us slowly come to the end. Today, you listened. You practiced. You spoke. This is very important. Please remember, short practice every day is best. Listen again tomorrow. Speak again tomorrow. Your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. Thank you for your effort. Keep going. Keep speaking. I believe in you. This is not goodbye. This is see you soon. Take care. Have a great day.